A BMX bike is an off-road bicycle used for racing and stunt riding. BMX means bicycle motocross and motocross. Usual BMX bikes are made out of steel and high-range ones are made out of tensile steel. Normal bikes and BMX have the same length wheel base, but the frame height is much lower. They also have smaller wheels, only one speed or one gear, or maybe one brake. City bike. City bike is a simple bike that is used for frequent short rides. The various parts are a hub gear, it's a gear change system. A hub gear is an important because it's safe to use and it's easy to. Most European bikes have at least 5 gears. The older ones have usually 3 to 4 gears. Two newer ones having 7 gears. Most hub gears with a single twist, trigger or thumb shifter. Hub gear are sealed with the hub, which protect them from the water or grit and impact. Those hub gears usually require less maintenance and they can be more reliable over time. Mountain bike is used to ride on mountains, but you can also use it as a normal bike. Mountain bike's wheels are huge compared to the other bikes because it needs to go on rocks and sand. Mountain 3 gears at the front and 7 to 8 gears at the back. In normal bikes, the gears are shifting, and mountain bikes, the gears are with buttons. The mountain bike's frame is straight and the saddle is very soft. The mountain bikes always have really good suspensions, and sometimes they also have suspensions in the back.
The friction between the wheel and the ground creates heat. The drummings on the wheels help the water and sand to not reduce that friction and make the bike slide. That's why it's really hard to bike on ice. Weight is proportional to friction. Depending on the bike, there are different types of brakes. The most common brakes are the hand brakes, that by pulling the brakes together, it tenses some wires that move the brake calipers that cause the brake blocks to put pressure on the wheel. Converting the kinetic energy on the wheel into heat, which helps the braking. The friction caused by the brake blocks against the wheel make the rubber wear away. Some bikes, mostly mountain bikes, have suspension at the front and or at the back of the bikes. Suspension helps the force made by the biker to be absorbed so the impact is not that hard.
A bike has a good efficiency rate, but the efficiency rate can decrease over time if the bike is not taken care of or maintained. Another thing that can decrease the efficiency of a bike is air resistance, especially when the wind is blowing towards you and not with you. When you are going uphill, it is also harder to ride your bike quickly because you have to fight air resistance, weight, and gravity at the same time.